Welcome to our AI novel writing script. This is the home page, and you can visit the other pages for more information. However, for the sake of this video, we're going to go straight to the app. You can log in with Google, and then we wait to be redirected to the settings page. On the settings page, you'll need to set the OpenRouter API key and the OpenAI API key. OpenAI is only necessary if you want to use the LLM for generating images. Once you've done that, you can choose either OpenRouter models or OpenAI models. The GPT-1 preview and mini models are not currently working because we need to fix a few issues with the prompting. For the sake of this video, we're going to choose a free model, Llama 3.1. Test the connection. Everything works fine. Next, we go to the home page and choose the language. You can choose the language you want: English, fantasy, French, or anything else you prefer. You can also add your own. Then you proceed to the next step. Everything is quite straightforward, and all updates will appear on the sidebar on the left. You can choose your own location, timeline, and customize every detail. Then we start creating the characters, and you can either write everything manually or let the AI do the work for you. You then input the name, age, and role in your story. Of course, you can edit anything. Let's say we call it Ang Smith, age 44, protagonist. You can save the character here. You can always edit or delete it at any time. Now let's move to the next part. You have the main parts of your novel, which you can generate with AI or write manually. For the sake of this video, we are going to use AI. You choose how many chapters you want, let's say 4, and you will also get the outlines for each chapter. Next, let's see the final outline and then go to the writing workspace. This is where the magic happens. You can write manually, or you can hit Start First Chapter, and boom! You also have the usual options: expand or shorten, or you can adjust it in any way you like. Let's say you want to translate it into Italian, and it does it for you. You can pretty much prompt it with anything you want. Let's say you want to create an image. We go to image generation, and we have a professional prompt option. There is also a small prompt generator, and you need OpenAI for this to create an image. Insert the image generated into your text editor. We are planning to add more AI large language models for images. Okay, let's see. Well, that's it for the chapter. You can save it, name it Chapter 1, and then you go to the next chapter, and it writes the next one for you. Sometimes you may get an error. Just refresh the page. You save it, and boom, you've got 2 chapters. When you're finished, you can export the story as a PDF or text file. You also have dark mode in My Profile. This is how the test looks. And that's all for our beta testing. We need to improve a lot, but with some feedback, we hope to make it even better. Thank you.